On the 13th of March 2023, the leader of Maitshaphrang Movement, Nongjop Syiem, at a press conference held in Shillong, informed that the movement will approach the government to demand for the amendment of the Meghalaya Succession to Self-Acquired Property Khasi Jaintia Special Provision Act 1986, which was published in the Meghalaya Gazette on 3rd June 1986. Speaking to media persons, Michael N. Syiem informed that in the year 2000, the movement had launched a campaign for the inclusion of ancestral property to the already existing Act of 1986. Further, he added that over a period of time, the Maitshaphrang Movement found it necessary to also include the word equitable to the Meghalaya Succession to Self-Acquired Property Khasi Jaintia Special Provision Act 1986 to enable fair and just distribution of property willed by parents to their offsprings.
Yakni ka bill la introduced for assembly, but House nem, but yakni ka bill kabakasteng ka Meghalaya Succession to Self-Acquired Property Khasi and Jaintia Special Provision Act 1986 kalayo ka asen kemenjur nu governor hak apply tarik May 1986. But la published through Gazette of Meghalaya haka 3rd June 1986. Di yakni ka an ban ai bantalang by will yaka self-acquired property along an nadu 1986. Tinri kat panangya kipur kat panangya kisnem tu ngilap ba kani ka self-acquired property ban kanda pois ki khun jungki ka kala ancestral property biang marhi khun de kamde ka self-acquired property jungki kadi jungki pa di kanda pois ki khun bat ka kelas ancestral kanda long ancestral property ban kalik yang sang khun khadu ni di dena ni ka daw bangis ngo ba hak ding an don kam ban include lang both ancestral but both self-acquired but ka ancestral property di dena ni ka daw ba house nam arhajar ka Maitshaphrang ka launch ni ka campaign kan ba hak ni ka an in 1986 they ban include lang ya ka ancestral property hapo ka an kenang ba ikmi kikpa kila ban will by will ya ka property ka beri ka self acquired but ka ancestral ru di hak ni ka an ru ni kwa ba baka government kan amend ni but kan wan ra ni tin equitable no mat equitable bun sin ki beri gedang perkat ba equitable kamut equal kamut markat ju rei kat kum ka dictionary meaning dong tin equitable but kamut fair and just kasong hajing start jing bi pa ban ai yanu kat nu tila da kisngo ba di ban ai khun khat du ru kani ka an kanum khang damar ble ni penon kam ni tin equitable no ti ngi kwa ba kani ka an kan thop lang ni tin equitable khnang ba kaniada khnang ba kum ong manta iki yakaying bamdan khun kan thei badan tang khun sinrang suraru kani ka an kaniada ba sisin ba ai lang ni khun sinrang tamut mdon chu balaban kani mdon chu ikur ni kini tai ki balaban kani tu property ka balai ti mi pa long meeting but ki NGOs no mi khon NGOs but ni khot lang what ikitu ki ba persya ai kani